What's up, guys? Welcome back. Good evening, good afternoon, and good night wherever watching me from. Sorry, from this is Maj underscore KE. And if you're new here, guys, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, watching the video till the end. With me here, I have, say your name.
Hi, it's Maja KE and Radio Grandpa and Grandma and Auntie Catherine
Yes.
and to meet me.
What's your name?
Maria underscore KE
Yes.
Instagram.
Yeah. So guys, this is Maria underscore KE Instagram. She's just back from school. How was school, Maria?
School, wrong.
How was school? Not
Fine.
school was fine.
Yeah.
What did you learn today?
Run. Eating. Eating.
What did you learn? Ulisoma nini leo shuleni?
Jug. Pot. Sufuria.
What else?
Voltage.
You don't know, you don't remember? Yeah. So guys, this
Knife. Jug. Cow. No cow. Jug. Knife. Nice.
Nice.
Knife.
Yeah. So guys,
Knife.
yeah. So guys, this is Maria underscore KE, and she's my niece. Yeah, so amazing back here at home. She. So amazing. Yes. Tell Auntie Gatti come here.
Auntie Gatti come here.
Yeah. So this is my niece Maria underscore KE, and she's always keeping us busy, especially when she's closed school. She keeps us very busy here at home in our compound. So guys, if you don't know me, if you have recently subscribed to my channel, my name is Maj underscore KE, and yeah, this is my village. I live here, and this is where I was raised and born, in this village, Nyabohanse. So guys, last time I was taking my sister back to the chemo, and yes, she said she will not be coming back until 1 month, but we saw it's not good for her to be there. You know, Nairobi is very congested, and also, you know, the like, you know,
also my caregiver, who is my husband, also was also traveling, so
yeah,
I could not remain there alone.
Yeah. So guys, and you know, here we have natural, like the natural food from the farm. You know, Nairobi, you can get food from the sewage. So here we have the natural food and everything. You know, it also helps in curing what my sister is undergoing. So guys, I really appreciate you guys who have really been there for me and my sister and my family. It has been a journey, but I really appreciate for the people who came through and the people who are supporting my sister in any way, prayers, like calling her, knowing how she's. Yeah, I really want to appreciate you. So this is my sister Pascala. Yeah, she just came back the other day.
Yeah, I came back on Monday, guys, so I'm sorry about the loneliness this time. I'm still recovering from the effects. During that first week, it's a bit yeah, it's just the way it is, but we are pushing on. By Friday, no, I'll be, yeah, by Friday I'll be doing good. It takes a whole week for me to recuperate, slowly by slowly. I'm not usually 100 though, but at least the second and the third week I'm usually doing well. I can do very light chores, but this first week I won't lie, it's usually the most difficult. But I thank God I'm faring on well. So yeah, I'm not going to talk much today. So
yeah, because guys, she was just from the chemo, and it's very hard, especially the first weeks. It's very hard for her. So, and she also had to travel again from Nairobi back home, because as I said before, Nairobi is very congested, and also, the neighborhood, and like, also my my in-law
yeah,
was traveling also, so she had to come back home. Of course, she was coming back after 1 month, but now she just had to come back for emergency. We are always here. That's why you can see me always here at home. Yeah, so checking on her. Yeah, and anything she needs, we are here. At least here at home, free air. Like, we were just chatting here. We were sitting right here, guys. I was sitting here, and we are just chatting with my sister here, Pascala. Yeah, if you're new here, you haven't known her, she's Pascala, and yeah, battling cancer, breast cancer, but very strong one. Yeah, she's really beating it, and I know we will beat it. Yeah, guys, so I want to say thank you so much for 10,000 people who are watching me. 10,000 plus. It's not a joke, guys, so I really want to appreciate you so much, and I really want to say out here, for the people who been watching me, like, I'm a very positive guy, and whenever something comes up, I take my time to talk about it, and I want to say, like, pride is very, like, a very bad thing. Don't feel so much proud of yourself. You never know tomorrow. So okay, I don't want to talk this when my sister she's here, but I will talk about that another time. Not another time. Today we are finishing. And also with me here, we have our sister here. Yes, how are you? You can come this side because of sun. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, Maja.
Yeah.
Hello guys, thank you, Maja, for giving me this platform and also welcoming me at your home.
Yeah.
I appreciate it a lot, because I've been seeing dust recently, asking for someone to do a content with me, and they are just cornering, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. You are my sister. And
as always.
Yeah.
So you tell me.
Yes, maybe you can introduce yourself.
My channel.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, if you don't know me, you have to know me today.
Yes.
I go by It's Tindi. That's my channel name.
Yeah.
And guys, I'm aiming at watch hours. I've already reached the 1,000 subscribers. So what I'm looking for is watch hours. And if you are from Maja, let me talk.
Yes.
Let me talk about it. From Maja, just kindly go check me out at my channel, support me. I'm aiming to watch hours and also subscribers. Also, just kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also share, comment, and also
tell a friend to tell another friend,
and also to leave a like.
Yeah,
you have to like the video.
Yes,
thank you.
So guys, if you don't know her, also she's the daughter to DJ, the former manager of Ayamaro, and she's here, guys. And are you now going to stay at home? Like, now you're here for
full-time villager.
Full-time villager. Guys, we have a villager here. Yes, now full-time villager and plus one. Yeah, so we have our sister here. Kindly, if you're from my end, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor to tell another neighbor, a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to her channel. Let's kindly support her. It's okay, it's a hard time that now she doesn't have a mom. It's very hard, I know. By the way, how has been since the period, like now we have like
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
How has been like
How am I managing? I'm
Yeah.
holding up.
Yes.
Staff, my friend.
Yeah. Regardless.
Regardless
Yeah.
of that she's not around, I have to be tough, Maja.
Yeah, sure.
I can't be complaining in that each and every time that, oh, she's no longer here. I can't be sad.
Yeah.
Also, I need to manage the other siblings, run the house, also the education. If I'm still mourning or I'm not in sober mind, I'll end up messing them.
Yeah, sure.
So it's really a struggle.
Yeah.
But all in all, I know I'm strong. I'm always a fighter, and I'll manage it. Raising 2 men, it's not a joke.
Yeah.
This one going this one, the other one this one. I always complain, we argue, but
It's
at
life.
the
You
end-
have to. Now you are the mother.
It's not easy.
Now you are the mother. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, all I want to say, I'm very, very much sorry for your loss. But life has to go on because you also have a life too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To
yeah.
live.
Yeah, and you have a future also. You
Yes.
have your plans. God knows why she went. Maybe it's your success. But I'm very sorry. Yes. Yeah, I'm very sorry. And this is the second time I'm saying I'm sorry. And yeah, all in all, guys, all in
All
all,
in all.
all in all,
Drama.
guys, I have
Telenovela.
like I have kept quiet for a very long time. I have watched what is going on, but it's not right, like, for you to come in this village and say you're not a villager and you can't like associate with villagers. You
And you
are
have been
a villager.
here.
You were
raised
born
here,
and raised
You're
here,
schooling.
schooling and everything. So me, all I can say, money is never everything.
Yeah. You need
Money is never everything. Trust me. Even me, I can tell you this for free. Even my uncles had money, but they died.
They left it.
They left it, and the money is no more there. So when you tell us that you're talking like you poo,
We eat.
we eat. Surely, even if we are like down to, I don't know, like, even if we live in a grass house, like you poo, we eat, my friend. That
But
will
the
never
fact
happen.
is, Maja,
Yeah.
she doesn't support you.
Yeah.
She doesn't.
No,
She doesn't
at
support
all.
me. But I'm wondering why she was saying that she poos and we eat.
And we
Like,
eat.
how?
Who eats your shit? Even your shit is my friend, money is never everything. Money is never everything. People have money out here.
Yes. But
People
they
have money, but they are very humble, down to earth. Like
They have to learn how to humble themselves.
yeah, for sure. Like when you talk like that, like I poo, you eat, you eat. Like, what do you think, even you yourself, or people who are trying to bring themselves up, or people, people were rich even without YouTube.
Yes,
You know,
people are rich
people,
without YouTube.
yeah, people are going to the farm. They are very rich, even more than the people who are saying that, oh, YouTube, oh, because of YouTube. No.
But I think Nyabwanse is split into two, the richers and the poorers.
Yeah.
That is what I've learned, by the way.
Yeah, of course. And don't say that you came from like a poor background. We can say, the people who are very poor in this village. And some people who are saying that they came from the poor background. Even me, myself, we used to live in a mud house.
Yes, I remember.
Yeah, in a
I
mud
remember.
house over there.
But now,
And someone who is saying that you don't know, like, oh, we came from a poor background. They used to live in a good house.
yeah, I remember.
A good house. Even we were living in a mud house, and then you come out here and say, oh,
Because money
money
can change someone.
money. They say, like, get money, then we know your character.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. And of course, it's not like, even me, I get that small money that I get, but I manage it, and I have never looked down on anyone.
But
Yeah.
people are different. I
Yeah,
normally
for
say
sure.
that once you grew up living in a, let me say, a tough condition, and you've been struggling, when you get that little money, don't despite anybody.
Yeah, for sure.
Just be you, be social. You don't know.
You never
one
know
day, one
tomorrow.
yes, you
Yeah.
might meet the same person you've been
Tomorrow,
Yes.
in a very, very small thing. And this, I think I don't want to talk about this, but for me, my experience, let me tell you my experience. There are people who like were looking down on me, and there are people who like I thought they would never, they will never come for help
From you.
from me. But trust me, you, the biggest person came for help from me,
Mad.
from a small help, a small help. So even if you say that you don't need help from
You'll
the
need it
villages,
one day.
east, west,
Home is the best.
home is the best. You will always come home. You have lived in the city.
Yes.
You have been there for a very long time, even before the people who are saying like, traveling. You have been
We've
there
been
in the
there.
city, yes. Even if we have not traveled, but we know like what is going on in
Other
everything.
towns,
Yeah, and I really believe we just have to be matured, and
People should style up.
yeah, style up, style up, be mature, and like do just your own things, like
But this Nyabwanse telenovela.
telenovela.
Hey, each and
Yeah,
every
yeah,
drama.
Yeah, but anyway, that has to happen for us to for a reason, and also for our village to grow also in some way, not in a good way, but in some way. But we don't want that bad way. We just want to grow in a good way, yeah, and elevate our village. I can say like Nyabuhanse has been down for a very long time.
Very long.
And yes, YouTube came, and we have tried to pull it up. Some people who are doing genuine work and doing that good work.
Shabby work.
We have tried to pull it up.
Yes, we have scammers
Yeah.
and genuine.
Yeah, for sure. But anyway, all I want to say, never look down on anyone.
Anybody.
And never try to abuse anyone, and never try to see yourself as the
Better
best
than
people.
you.
Yeah,
Better
we
than
had even the presidents who like Moi Kibaki. He had a lot of money, but where is he right now?
Dead.
Yeah, do you hear even
And
the
left
family?
all the money.
No, I have my uncle here, Uncle John Bosco. He was very rich. Where is he right now?
And all the buildings,
All the
walls,
buildings
they're just
are
there.
just here, but you just have to. And he was very humble. He never chased anyone from his compound, and you could wake up and see a lot of people in his compound whenever he was there.
At
Yeah,
times
but-
you find
yeah.
that things happen, but you can't talk about it because
Yeah.
when you talk, they judge you. Oh,
Yes.
they don't appreciate. They don't do what. At times
Yeah.
I just have to keep quiet. But
Yeah, even me, like for me, I don't like talking, and like coming back, like this is a comeback. I want to talk about this one, but when it reaches
reaches.
here, it's now, and it's now. I will talk about it because it's now too much. It's too much of hatred and
but
we've need what,
Jealousy.
like jealousy and everything,
Envious.
like envious.
so I normally wonder what is the problem? What is
Yeah.
the big issue
Yes.
with them? Maybe Dimwango and the villagers. What is that big issue? Or,
Yeah. By the way, you should come out and say what is the issue, and yes,
they
we
hate
know
me. They hate me. I don't know why.
no one hates anyone in this village unless you have some other haters. But for me, I don't hate. I don't get jealousy. I don't see anything that I should borrow from you. Maybe collab if you don't want to do a
It's
collab
okay.
with me. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do your own things. Yeah. that is all. So I want to say, let's be together, love, and let's push this village to the core. Because even if you say you will not live here, trust me,
You're coming.
east, west,
She will get married.
home is the best.
Yes.
Yes, but you will still come back home,
I
and
know.
we will be the only people who will come to the wedding.
Yes.
Yes.
Anything.
Yeah.
Be it family functions. Maybe
Yes.
if you are not
Yeah.
invited.
Yeah, we will be there.
If you are not, don't
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. Me, I will go.
You'll go. You are
Yeah.
a get crash.
Yes, I get to crash, and then they.
They send you away.
Yeah, no problem. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, guys, it's a video that today I just felt like I should put this out. It's not good for people to
Look down.
look down on some people who are trying to make ends meet, and to people who are like how can I put this, guys, like to other people who like are trying to make
Coming or
yeah, not even upcoming people who have
trying to put what? Food or what?
not even
Yeah,
food,
kind of
people who
Kiswahili.
have elevated themselves and worked hard on this platform to get maybe good things, and then you want to pull them down. So guys, it's positive vibes.
Yes.
So my sister just came here visiting me. Maybe I can take you around. I show you
Show me
some
around. Show me around.
1 and 2 3 things. So
It's been long since I was here.
Yeah.
Actually, like 10 more years.
10.
So, yes, while I was schooling.
Yeah,
At
so I just want to show you just around here. Yeah, so this is our compound, village grandpa's compound. And
Nice. You
this,
have a very big compound and the greenish.
yeah, and we want to make it very greener.
With what?
Some flowers,
Okay.
trees, and everything. And this, I believe you have never seen this.
You're also a farm.
A farm, a very big farm.
Poetry, I'm a pottery.
So, I know you have never seen this project here. This was from me, Maja Nasto.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so
it's a collaboration, Mama?
yeah, it has been here for a very long time. So we decided like we can do a project like this. This house was built by me and Nasto.
Nasto himself.
Yeah, so this is a project that has been here for a very long time. And the chicken that were here, we sold them. We had like 50 chicken, and now they were over and they remained like
Broilers or what?
improved, yeah,
Kienyeji.
kienyeji. So they were over. Now we are trying to come up again. This we brought now 10 chicken here.
So you bring
Chickens.
this size Amazon
Yeah,
quite
yesterday.
a little bit.
This size.
Oh,
Yeah, yesterday. So yeah,
they grow
and
very fast.
yeah. So yesterday, and we want to bring even more. We are just waiting for the person to come, and yeah,
The supplier.
the supplier.
So the market is very good here because I can see a lot of people are practicing poetry.
Yeah,
It's
it's
like the market is good.
not that good, but what I can say, you can never go hungry when you have this, because you can sell. We have hotels, you can supply. We have eggs, you can supply. You
You can
know,
also eat.
you can also you eat one a month. Yes, you lose profit. Yeah, but anyway, you can supply eggs, you can supply chicken. Hotels we have at the border down here also. So yeah, so
That part of eating, it's very nice.
yeah, so this is one of our project that we started, and
So when you
also
sell, you share the cash.
yeah, the cost. Yeah,
The
of course
cost
we
of the
share.
cash.
Huh? The cost or the cash?
You share the money.
Come this way because of light.
the-
Yeah, so we share
yeah,
the we share the cost, like the cost.
It's not the cost now. The cost is in here, maybe mkienda kubuy. When you go to buy, you share cost ya kubuy.
Even if you sell,
With
you
the
share
cost.
the cost.
Okay.
Or You guys can tell us down the comment section. I'm not really sure, but I really believe that is the correct English. Yes, yeah. So I really want to say, like, this video was really meant to tell the people who are not positive, or the people who hate, or the people who are looking down on some people, to be like, don't look down on anyone. You never know tomorrow. Tomorrow is coming.
The way it's coming.
Tomorrow is coming, and you never know.
Someone said, but you look for me. I told you, why? Why should I look for you?
Yeah.
Trust me, you look for me. You just to do a collaboration. Because he's a reactor, and he told me to do a video with him, and I rejected. So he was like, you look for me, utanitafuta. I told him, it's okay. God knows, by the way, man.
Yeah, God knows everyone's life, because you will not put out you will not put us out here to be like I fear this person, like this. No, we will. We will struggle, my friend. Even if we will die, like
struggling,
we will die struggling. You will not make us look like strangers.
We will make it.
Yeah, we will make it one day, one time.
The process.
And let me tell you one thing. Like, God knows.
Yes.
God knows if you'll make it or not.
Make it.
And even if you make it, you'll still die. You'll still die. That is what also motivates me. Like, you make it or not make it, you will still.
At the end of the day.
At the end of the day, kuna kukufa. Yeah. So tusiwekwe pressure mingi na woga. Don't be afraid. Yeah, don't be afraid of anyone, whether rich or poor. Even our president tried to put us some fear. But he saw what happened. He saw what happened. Gen Z, there's still more to come. So don't put fear on our journey. The journey is so big. We have been here for a very long time. Yes, and we have been here for a very long time. Even in campus without YouTube, we used to survive. We used to do some other things. Yeah, so YouTube is a space for everyone. Like, it's only you to have your ideas, your own content, and everything. So anyway, if I have offended you in any way, kindly forgive me. But I have said what was in my heart, and that is the truth. Yeah, that is the truth, and
set you free.
Yeah, the truth has really set me free. If you have any problem with me, that is Maj_KE, kindly come to me, tell me, or
this is not good.
Yeah, this is not good.
What do they think?
Yeah, or what you think. But I have set my heart free, saying what I had to say, because I didn't have to say this, but until it reached a point.
Provoked.
Yeah, it was now here, guys, and I'm putting it out there. So thank you so much. Let it be peace, positive vibes. Always. I'm Mr. Positive. But yeah, support my sister here.
Yeah, support me, guys, at my channel. It's Tindi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly.
Just a road to success. That's what I'm aiming at right now. And watch ours, guys. So watch me. Don't skip the ads. Tell a friend. Much love, guys.
Yeah. Peace and love.
As always.
Peace and love until our next video. And we don't need negative vibes. Negativity. We want to pull everyone that is doing a genuine work, and anyone that needs help, guys, we are here for you. Maja is here for you. It's not that nateseka sana or yes. I'm just okay. Peace, love, and positive vibes. They call me the Village Buga. Until our next video, peace.